everyone, it's Louise with Louise Making Art, and I'm sorry I have to voice over this because I had music playing and my intention wasn't going to be to reveal this video, but since I did record it and these came out great, I figured I might as well. So let's just get right into it. That's the first color there on my Multi-Pro. That is my Pearl Sky Blue by Arteza with Golden's Phalo Green. This one is a mixture of three, which is Amsterdam's Bluish Green with Treasure Gold's Blue Quartz and Golden's Cerulean Blue Deep. This is 24 karat gold by DecoArt and Iridescent gold by Glidden. This is Quinacridone Nickel Azo gold, and this made these coasters come out very differently from the combination just without this color. And I'm not sure I liked it better. I think I like the blues just by the blues. So yeah, Nickel Azo gold, and then next will be my this little piggy's Sea Glass, which I have to say, for my first TLP I used, I'm completely taken away by this color. It makes everything better. So I picked a good one to start with, and I have a couple others in my my cabinet waiting to be released from the pen. Now this color here is a Payne's Gray, and it's a combination of Golden's Payne's Gray and Arteza's Payne's Gray. So all of these colors except for the Sea Glass was mixed with my normal Glidden and JoSonja mixture, and the Sea Glass was mixed with Bear 8300. I'll have everything listed in the details below, the recipes and the colors I used and the combinations. So yeah, this is just a typical bloom using white cell activator. Always stir the cell activator before you put it down. And if you're interested in my American Floetrol cell activator recipe, it's 141. I'll list it above in a second, and it has about 8 minutes of instruction and recipe. So what I do initially is always blow straight down into the cell activator to start to get that cell activator to spread and form a ridge just before blowing out. Then once I start seeing it open up, then I'll spread out that cell activator by blowing on an angle, like grabbing the ridge that I formed from blowing down directly and push that ridge up over the top like a wave coming into shore at the beach. So I want to spread that cell activator over the paints and the paints over the pillow. And now here, all I'm doing is I'm going to be picking up the extra paint and also stretching out the pillow paint to the edges. So I might skip ahead a little bit here. I'm going to try to keep this video very short because my last video from yesterday was long. And all I'm going to do here is just blow the center out a little bit, try to get that cell activator working to get the cells in the middle, and then I'm going to continue to spread out the pillow and then spin it out. I'm going to turn on some music and let this thing roll. So I'm about to the end here, and I'm just doing a final cleanup, and then I am just going to be showing here in a second. As you're cleaning up the bottom, you want to make sure that when you're cleaning, you always pull the extra paint down and away, not out straight, because the tacky paint of this house paint could sling back into the composition. You don't want that to happen. So always when you're cleaning, pull it down and away and let it snap off under the piece that you're working on. So everybody, that's a wrap, and I'll have all the coasters coming up in a second. If you'd like to see more Bloom coaster creations, check out my Bloom playlist. I'll have listed at the top right in a couple seconds. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell and all, and you'll get all my latest art tutorials. Leave comments, hit the thumbs up, and remember, Thursday nights at 6:30 Eastern Standard Time is Rock and Pour Collaboration. Until then, take care, everybody.